Hi, it's Liv and today we're making oatmeal and raisin cookies. So we're going to start with measuring out 125 grams of plain flour. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I've just sprinkled in a little bit of sea salt. We're going to whisk those ingredients together and then add 150 grams of oats. In this case I'm using porridge oats because it's all I had in the cupboard. And then we're going to measure out 115 grams of unsalted butter, and I've softened this in the microwave and softened it far too much. And then we're adding 100 grams of light brown soft sugar and 50 grams of granulated sugar. Then we're going to add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is very runny mixture. I think it's meant to be a lot thicker than that. But then we're going to add that to our dry ingredients and give it a good old stir. Then we add 150 grams of raisins and mix them all in. So we're going to cover the bowl with cling film and put in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So once that's out of the fridge, we're going to line 2 baking trays with parchment paper and scoop the dough into balls and just press down with the spoon just to flatten them a bit. And then we're going to pop these in the oven for between 10 and 12 minutes on fan 160, basically until like the middle's set and the edges are lightly golden. So if you check the bio of this video, I've linked to the website that I used for the recipe. Definitely go check it out, and thank you for watching.